Intégrité vle di mériter confiance. Qui je nous garde les moun ap li.
We are so excited to be launching the first Haitian Creole program for Palm Beach County and Boynton Beach, Florida. This program is such an amazing experience for our families here in Boynton Beach.
Lakay, c'est lakay. Creole parler, Creole comprendre. This program means so much to me. I can honestly say that I'm proud to be one of the team members to be able to support the launching of this program. Students will be able to speak Haitian Creole and learn the language continuously, as well as continue to learn the English language. Think about what I'm saying. Close your eyes. Students from diverse backgrounds will also be able to learn about Haiti and its culture. I am proud that we are able to provide our students with an environment where the native language is considered to be an asset rather than a deficit.
What this program means to me is an opportunity to allow people to understand more about our culture as Haitians. But I feel like this program will help people understand how great and beautiful Haiti can be.
I just wanted to say that this program is very important to me, and I feel like it's a great opportunity to help bridge the gaps between cultures.
The mission of our district is to educate, affirm, and inspire our students. A Haitian Creole Dual Language program does exactly that, and I would add to that, it really reassures the identity of our students, our parents, and our community.
We value the rich cultural and linguistic heritage of Haiti that is so represented in our community and our schools. We're excited to offer the students the opportunity to develop the ability to speak, read, write, and learn in Haitian Creole.
Haitian Creole Dual Language programs respects the identity of these students, the gifts that they come with in our schools and in our classrooms to ensure that these students come out bilingual by the time they leave school. We're very excited about showing the respect that this culture deserves.
As a Haitian American, I feel so proud to be able to share my culture, to be able to share the language, to be able to share the history about our great country. It's important for the kids to learn at a young age, and I'm so excited that we are offering this program here.
This program is really important for the community. Now, this program is gonna help a lot of Haitians to be adapted, to be understand the program, to be understand how the system works.
It means to me that as a Haitian American, for other cultures, for other Americans to see the beauty, to bring awareness of the Haitian culture, not just the language, some of the great things that we have, some of the beauties that we have in our Haitian cultures, the food.
I want to encourage everybody to view this program for individuals. The student will be proud to see the value of their culture, their language. Also the community, the student will be able to interfere, collaborate, and engage with the community.
But we're excited to see the community embrace this and see this grow, not just at Rolling Green, but in other schools throughout the district, and really hope to see the community rally around and support.
My name is Brianna, and I am proud of my Haitian culture.
My name is Tanya Talusma, and I'm proud of my Haitian heritage and culture.
My name is Mary Julia. I am proud of my Haitian heritage and my culture.
My name is Jake DeWozes. I am proud of my Haitian heritage and culture.